Inside lib folder, create a file named previewpage.dart. Inside it, create a stateful widget named previewPage. Here, create a variable of string type named imageURL. Create second variable of int type named imageID. Make both of these variables required inside the constructor of this class. Go to main page, find gesture detector used inside the grid view. Use onTap property of it, and pass a method to it. Inside it, use navigator.push method. Inside it, pass material page route. Pass preview page to builder like this. Pass snapshot.data of index.imageID to imageID. Copy this line and paste to image URL, and pass image portrait path instead of image ID. Go to preview page. Create scaffold widget. Set extend body behind app bar property to true. Create app bar widget. Set background color to transparent color. Set foreground color to white color. Set elevation to 0. Create cached network image widget inside body. Set fit to box fit.cover. Set height to double infinity. Set width to double infinity. Set image URL equal to image URL of this widget. Use error widget property, and pass this method to it with these parameters, and return icon widget, which contains error icon. Let's test it out. And preview page is working.